Привет, my name is Liz. I am studying Russian this summer at the IU Language Workshop, and today I'm going to show you what my normal day looks like at the IU Language Workshop. First, I wake up early, eat breakfast, and review vocab in front of Showalter Fountain. Then I make it to class, where my classmates and I learn and talk a lot every single day. Then I eat lunch, usually next to Herman. Afterwards, I head to a Russian club, and then I go to my teacher's office hours. They really love to help. I then enjoy my walk to the Union, and I sneak in a very quick nap before my language training session. And now it's time for coffee and, of course, homework. Lots and lots of homework and vocab. Then I walk home, where I hang out with my roomie. She made cookies, so I was really lucky. And then finally, before bed, I read a little bit to relax, and that is my whole day. Thank you for joining me during my day in the IU Language Workshop. Be sure to fill out the Google form in the @HamiltonLuger bio to showcase your own unique day in the IU Language Workshop.